Guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. So inside Kenya, hey, this is a country. So that I tell you what about Kenya. Kenya is a country that is very funny, by the way. People begin speculating, and from nowhere, whatever they were speculating comes to be true. Now, there is this rumor about Kindiki and Ruto. I don't know. I don't like spreading rumors, but I can smell a rat. Since Kindiki came into office, he has been, capitally absent in any meeting where the president is. And so our question is, what is cooking in the house? This political analysis is very funny. So there is this clip I saw moving around, and I saw people are saying he's going to face the fire, just like Gachagua did. Now, people, those who are ears on, can you tell me what is happening? As for me, it's just about receiving the news. I'm waiting. And my question is, for how long will we go as such in Kenya? When you make a government unstable, in a way that you are changing people like cloth. I don't know whether you're moving on. Anyway, it seems in Kenya it's like that position of vice president was just honorario. That's what I can say, because of late it doesn't seem to impact in any way on decisions, on things to do with what has to be done. It's just about, when Kindiki walked into office, you remember what many people said? They'll say he's just going to be saying, yes, sir.
Thank you.
Coming, sir. It is right, sir. Now, people are also saying Kindiki was supposed to make an impact on Mount Kenya. An impact was supposed to be felt. In politics, you look for people who can accrue votes for you. And it seems, from what I can hear, that he's not doing much. Still, when Ruto goes to Mount Kenya, he's not finding a footing. It's like he goes there, some young people jeer, and also most of his followers go there and you find it's, things are not hot on the ground. Now, when you look at Ndindi, Njoro, it's like things are not also up to the expectation. Kimani Chungwa, he's just steps in Western, that's where he can talk. But when it goes to Mulima, he cannot raise his voice. So it seems like he has not played the role that he was to when he was picked. So my question is, what is going to happen? Because many people are speculating that very soon Kindiki will be facing the hot soup. Now, the latest says that he was supposed to say something about Gachagua. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, because now things around Kenya and how social media works. Social media is one of the platforms sometimes we may not trust fully. But from speculations, that's why I'm raising these questions, so that if you have any right information about what's happening, come to the comment sections and share, because I am yet to learn. The reason why I'm making this video is to find out the truth. What's cooking? Yeah, what's up? Is this the idleness of Kenyans? Many people say if you find people are speaking like me, they are idle. And I'm not idle, let me tell you. I'm from work. And there is work ahead of me. I'm just relaxing. And from relaxing and for the love of politics, then I decide I have to ask some questions. When you are reacting or you are making critical analysis, you are supposed to look at such points, of course. You are supposed to look at such issues that are happening around you, then ask questions. Yeah. So I'll just pin here some little clip about Ruto and Kindiki, and tell me something about what's happening. If anything that is happening, tell us. What are the truth? I don't want speculations here. Those who are having speculations, stay off. I want facts. Yeah. Give me facts as you come to the comment section.
hii nchi hatuwezi endelea namna hii. Lazima tuchague kama tutarekebisha nchi yetu isiharibike zaidi ya mahali imefika, ama tutakaa na wewe na hiyo mambo yako.
Otherwise, hey, we are yet to make more videos about this political agenda, political issues inside Kenya. Wow. So thank you all my subscribers. I'm seeing you are really coming up, and I'm happy for you, and have a nice time. Bye bye for now.